Mwachibiem Samuel Badwam TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. Nita Kutego yada seni kwansensem kase no etwaso de betodwa omubi ene Enra Public Account Committee na nya gro wo ho asem bi a obi kan ye party bi nti ana party nti yentumi anche we nti na jese aye chinyi wa show sansemi ne nsembi anope wo bete se Badwam kase wo share live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com semine nsema fufuro bi ewo ho bidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die yenti sede nsem no etie enu achinye o show ema ne muso wo Public Account Committee na ni nyina no eye asemo a pani ba ko di ni dwuma wo Ministry of Agriculture eka yese party bi esi hu kwan se wormo ebechechemu eno na de akinwa show no eba de course wo ho eni.
We beg you, Mr. Chairman. We all here, Adom. She made a categorical statement, Adom. She is in a position to explain herself, Adom. We shouldn't let the minister think that the answers that I think that party people. I think that are you saying that individuals took over the supplier's place for which reason they failed to supply up to 19 million Ghana cedis? She should be able to answer. Respect. Well. Are you trying to tell me that I'm not doing my job well?
Na ewo sansemi ho anu yi na onipa wono ne fi aso yi ebaaye anu yi nsemisa no kyese party awakai no engina ho emfama amonyoku bia ne mum no nipaku bi ho asem na woka.
Understood. I meant other people that were not part of the contract that came around the place, and then the agents of the supplier who also did not give us access.
Thank you very much. So
has spoken. I think we should end it. You are not more party-like than your chairman who is here taking over the affairs of what we are doing. Respectfully.
Madam Chair, respectfully, I take strong exception to that statement.
Respectfully.
I asked the question because this is a committee of parliament. Parliament is a house of records.
Take over and do what is expected. Please.
Enra Enkrami and Sanso yabo won moka obia etua 4,000 Ghana cedi abra dental circuit court etene adwamo enkwada na wo mokobro wo mo chiechire ni ya West African Senior High School no ena court share won mo esa mfie mienu nso wo mo nan subam panso edi
sebia judge the person who got but council who sign would be 2 years what the many years because parents like do much and almost see anytime you move Jimmy Trevor they don't papa your and it won't go anywhere. That's the issues and political. And she said, the Koran can say, Papa, your hand, and back. Now, I say, we hear the Papa can has I said, Ubia, Dubonidia, not to say, they have to be doing that. Well, it is any many and you was already done the bomb, but you move by me, church was a move bomb, as a wasn't bomb. I was saying, when but they will send another people to come and do it.
Not chairman de Mamadina, Adentana Bokubi municipalities, and so Amanbuni, Kojo, Mensa Brampani, Nutrition Commodity, same we see, and a tuja.
A union leader, no many anji. If it's a sad way, Ecosu, I bring in a Yakobuti Chabi, our baby. Na family napa, a crime soup, Akotia, Sebita Flatcher, who are caught, your court. Who said, almost Yemetu, and I said they should come and pay 4,000 cedis. And sign a bond of good behavior for 2 years.
Osansem we mo no Ghana National Association of Teachers say one more ebe file appeal. Osansem no wombo enyo judgment no enra ebaye no.
In the wisdom of the honorable court and I say her ladyship, I believe sir Sebi akorano onim se o exam tuna o ko atakiana maybe sir. Journalist. Bonnie dear at any time. Entino say Bonnie or Biansono or Cordia and Manano Sundino. Entino one when I am when I am it embodies the mentee we can appeal and ensure say Bonnie on Nipa Biasua. Bonnie on Nipa Biansun, so we will appeal. Now I'm saying that we will appeal the judgment.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Uguso Elshano na President the Magana Institution of Engineers Ludwig Anan Hesse editor District Assembly sinina animu say ye na wo mu besi dan bia wonhwe na anim defo a won anim de wo dansie mu no o ma woni akotene ewo.
The assemblies they have to be properly manned. We have to get them the right engineers and architects to work with the assemblies. That's the first thing. We have to make sure that they are trained and they understand what they are doing. The second is that we know that government cannot employ a lot of people. So when they come to assessing buildings and ensuring that the buildings are constructed according to design, they can engage the private sector. There are private consultants there. They are doing a lot of work. There are many engineers we have trained. They are out there. We can get some of them to come and sit and make sure that the contractors are doing the right thing. And if they add this to their approval processes, then we can make sure that there's always an engineer on site who is making sure that what has been designed properly. And you need engineers to check what other engineers have done. It's called peer review.
Ghana for be and Chinese this year be a wotume eboa yare hosem si ye wakra new town menam so abansro edrugu ye nipa nam so ato na nanom se do na safo na wo mo boa ye atorenche bremu no ehia se ebo won abaso.
So these are our brothers and sisters that have been in the building yesterday. So this is basically why we came. We collected around maybe 10, 15 machines, something like this. We just grabbed whatever we can from our showroom and we came here. And then as we are here, then we were asking them what sort of things they needed, and we went to collect more and come. Yes.
Christopher Aonunso Eka Ivan ho onunso echa onunso wodi ne dwumadie e wa ha ne office wa ya abra atorenche misi e no onunso sisa ne mfidie e de bae wonim so ye Ghana ni etini nuanom aka e wo sa atorenche mu a na wo so onunso eba ebeboa.
Yeah, me IT expert me dwuma ne camera hu dwuma ne electric fence ne IT hu nyama enti adene sisa no. Then I met me Sami Juma, me machines I me office on to me farm me cutting machines, drilling machines, any power machines. I bet me abu blocks. I bet me the Juma into me buy no me brother na white man maybe no and also the machine buy into ya cambo so extensions no money tinting the core inside the core yes I Juma it's like a teamwork you car boom na no
amani boy me amede bro efi new town baby atorenchem ni CMA school dan ejuri tugu ye no medin e the prince so esieto Adom news
Emongra yensam fofromo na Ghana freight forwarders efo na kase won mo de to aban ni mo se wonye ensakraye wo AI nhihye won de eye adwuma ewo sushen gina bia hono no se be ye nema mbego e de amawo
Wana wofa niema efri amanone edigu ahyan kese so eba Ghana ene wona wode niema efri Ghana ekọ amanone koton abrofo kasem wofre won freight forwarders for no eye nhyiamu na wode won sameto aban animu se womo atete se wode abefo kwan so ena eba bagigi sika na sa enhyihyeye ya aban de abai wofo aso pa na emum de sesi a wohwehwe ne se empanyimfo be ma huhumu bi abam na omo so ate ase se de ebe ya wode twa won revenue sa enkonkofa okebia emre omo Obri AJ and a din semi etudra.
Any say din kind no. I was semi de tudra, send a minianum kind ya me so me can press conference na say. AI na government today bad. And yes say any government e wa asem say o raising a revenue and our government e pesika dia ball mine no ho photo. There be enyesa. Ne ye trend say e kwan o mine no ana say aban fa so de gi sika no. Sa kwan no etiamra.
Ghana Police Service and so actually enipa mienu bi a wosusu se we bie fake social media account to be a why say ye mampani ene ne ho kani Lodina Mahama for edia
kasa na one ne kasa anasa oba pani Lodina na one ne kasa enso ebe wie che na enipa bonefuo ena etete echi a omudi sa boni na yafa eyi abefo kwan so Moa Mayensa Akasa Nipa Bonifu Eminu ni edi kan ni din e de Bernard Mensa nanso okọ social media ne so a edin a use ye Charity Kwaku na sa Charity Kwaku ya o ya Bernard Mensa phone numbers ahodo obeye nkron na ewo ni din mu a odidi saa ni pa bonisem yi na odedada nkofo opewe ya frame opese we say abehu me meboa ma wa say e de agigi sika ahodo na ya tita omo na yensa aka omo na edi kan na mabo ni din ni otosumi ni ye Michael Ebo Safo a ono nso ye kwache no wo Central Region ho ye kura ye frɛ no enyan abasa na yensa kan enche bi na social media so ye hu viral video bi a eye abrantie di na otutu bi mane atemuafo a omode nsama mayen wo court eye judge of the high court na otutu bi mane no na ohun na threaten ne nkwa na mpo okeka ne ma emfata bi ekire no na yensa ka sa video.
And on some no, so the national coordinator, the Magana CSO's platforms on SDGs, leveling Konedu SUD, the 12 anymore say, and one hour day, a war more, teach you 1 mile, when we hear we are bro woman near Diana, a buying entum.
Social Ministry of Gender annual fund omogia yes fund na eba domestic violence fund na nkasemu no e be say 1% of it inti na chese sika no esua ne yete se omutumi ye no omuntumi nye inti ye nkomodie eye se ye beboa na yehu tibia fund ne wom na hoodin ene ohawa ewo ho se ne be ya yen ankrankre yetumi abodehuro ama amanfo abeso Ministry of Gender and Domestic Violence Fund no asene no mu discabebre atum na se ye manoda baby me nso se ebe koso na nso se obinya ohaw eye domestic violence na wetumi enya emmoa efri safa nem se yesika afa se ye be provide shelter anase ye be ma no counseling na nso se aban obetumi aye hu bibia nsi wo kwan the responsibility ne de eda wo so say Ministry of Gender, say Ministry of Finance, say Parliament, and say the Presidency krano eda omoso nanso ye pese mo buano na yenso ye yibima de aboa ye ma ewo omaimu ha. Midin the leveling Kunedu Asiedu, me National Coordinator for Ghana CSO's platform on SDGs.
Yeah, no son Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana had a brema coin in an affair, yes, ye many other genty, yet